Hi everyone! Today we're going to show you how to draw a speedboat step by step. Step 1. Draw the body first. Draw a long rectangle with curved sides for the deck of the speedboat. Make sure the lines are not perfectly straight. The sides should curve slightly. On the left side, curve one corner of the rectangle and connect it to the top line. On the right side, draw a diagonal line connecting the ends of the two curved lines. Step 2. Add the baseline. Now draw another curved line over the top line, connecting the body for the baseline of the speedboat. This will look like the bottom of a spade shape. Step 3. Draw the outboard motor. At the end of the baseline, draw a diagonal rectangle for the outboard motor. Curve the sides to round out the edges. Before we continue, make sure to like and subscribe to our channel. Step 4. Draw the propeller under the motor, draw a small rectangle, then a vertical rectangle next to it. Below that, add two small rectangles, one horizontal, one vertical. This forms the propeller. Step 5. Add the windshield. Near the top of the body, draw three small diagonal lines. Connect the leftmost one to the body with a curve to make the windshield. Step 6. Draw the motor box above the outboard motor, draw a large square and curve the top side. Erase any lines going through the body. Step 7. Add details. Your basic speedboat is done. Now you can add details like waves, birds, or a background. Color it in and add any final touches. And there you have it. A step-by-step guide to drawing a speedboat. With some practice, you'll be able to draw this fast boat easily. Check out our description below to learn more about our services, tutorials, and more.